everyone, this is Ganga Dikshit and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is solar system. Today we'll discuss about solar system and what's make up the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets and their satellites and some other heavenly bodies. The sun is present at the center of the solar system and each planet moves around the sun in a fixed orbit. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the planets except the Earth have been named after Roman and Greek gods. Earlier, Pluto was 9th planet of the solar system. However, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union downgraded the status of Pluto to that of the dwarf planet. Why? It is too small in size and therefore cannot be considered be a planet like Earth or Jupiter. It is called a dwarf planet. However, Pluto is not tiny. It has a diameter of about 2,360 kilometers. It has many moons. Now we will discuss about all the planets of the solar system. There are 8 planets of the solar system. We will discuss about them one by one. First planet of the solar system is Mercury. Firstly, we will discuss about Mercury. In Hindi, we can say Budh. It is closest to the sun and it is the smallest planet of the solar system. It is very hot during the day and very cold at night. And it has no moon. It takes approximately 88 days to complete one revolution of the sun. And next planet is Venus. In Hindi, we can say Shukra. And it is the second planet from the sun. It is also brightest planet and it can be seen in the sky as a bright object just before the sunrise or just after the sunset. That is why it is called the morning star or the evening star. And it is the closest to the earth and it is also has no moon. It takes approximately 225 days to complete one revolution of the sun. Now our third planet is Earth. As we know that Earth is a beautiful planet of the solar system and it is the third planet of the solar system. It is the only planet that has life. It is the only known planet that has water in liquid form and oxygen in its atmosphere. Nearly 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. This makes the Earth appear blue from the space. So it is also known as the blue planet. And it has one moon and it takes approximately 365 days to complete one revolution of the sun. Next planet is Mars. As we know that in Hindi it is Mangal. And it is the 4th planet of the solar system and it is covered with red dust and so it appears red. That is why it is also called red planet. And it has 2 moons and it takes approximately 687 days to complete one revolution of the sun. Next planet is Jupiter. In Hindi it is Brihaspati. And it is the 5th planet of the solar system and it is the largest planet of the solar system. It spins faster than other planets and it has 79 moons on it and it takes approximately 12 years to complete one revolution of the sun. And next planet is Saturn. In Hindi we can say Shani. It is the 6th planet of the solar system and it is the 2nd largest planet of the solar system. It has rings around it which are made up of pieces of rocks and ice. There are 7 rings around the middle of the planet. It has 62 moons and it takes approximately 30 years to complete one revolution of the sun. Next is Uranus. In Hindi we can say Arun. It is the 7th planet of the solar system and it is the 3rd largest planet of the solar system. It was the first planet that was discovered by using a telescope and it has 27 moons on it and it takes approximately 84 years to complete one revolution of the sun. Next is Neptune. In Hindi we can say Varun, and as we know that it is the 8th and farthest planet from the sun. This planet is known for its fast blowing cold winds and it is the 4th largest planet of the solar system. It has 14 moons on it and it takes approximately 165 years to complete one revolution of the sun. There are two types of planet, inner planets and outer planets. First, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are inner planets. They are made up of rocks. These planets called rocky planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. They are made up of frozen gases and are much larger in size than rocky planets. These planets are called gas giants. As we have discussed in this video about our solar system and 8 planets, I hope you have enjoyed this topic. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask to me in the comment box. Thank you.